Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita Misra Math classes, and this is Anita Misra here. Today we have class 10 trigonometry exercise 8.4. For exercise 8.1, 2 and 3, see my previous video and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so in this exercise we are going to use some trigonometric identities. So let us see them first. First one is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This one is first. Then second one is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Then third one is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. तो सबसे पहले हम इनका प्रूफ देखते हैं कि ये आते कैसे. ठीक है, लेट अस सी दैट. सो फॉर दिस फर्स्ट वी ड्रा ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो लेट अस ड्रा ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सपोज ए बी सी is a right angle triangle. It is right angle at D. So by Pythagoras theorem we can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So first write that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This one is your equation number 1. So now divide each term by AC square. So let us divide. So we can write AB square divided by AC square. Here second term is BC square. So divide BC square by AC square. In RHS it is given AC square. So divide AC square by AC square. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं कैसे, ए बी बाई ए सी होल स्क्वायर. हियर इट इज ए बी स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई ए सी स्क्वायर. सो वी कैन राइट ए बी बाई ए सी होल स्क्वायर प्लस फॉर दिस वी कैन राइट बी सी बाई ए सी होल स्क्वायर एंड ए सी स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई ए सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. Both are same. So this one is 1. So what will be AB by AC? Look here. For this angle A, AB by AC is equal to cos A. So write here cos A whole square plus what will be BC by AC? BC by AC will be sin A. Perpendicular distance divided by hypotenuse is called sin A. So write here sin A whole square. This one is equal to, this is equal to 1. Then it will be cos square A. Square of cos A will be cos square A and square of sin A will be sin square A. So write here sin square A is equal to 1. So finally we can write sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This one is your first identity. This one is proved. For second one, divide equation 1 by AB square. Okay. So let us divide each term by AB square. So first term is AB square. So AB square is divided by AB square. Second term is BC square. So BC square is also divided by AB square. And in RHS it is AC square. So AC square divided by AB square. For this we can write AB square divided by AB square. So write directly it is 1 plus BC square divided by AB square. So write here BC by AB whole square. Here it is AC by AB whole square. So write 1 as it is plus, what is the value of BC by AB? BC by AB for this angle, perpendicular distance divided by base is tan A. Okay, so write here tan A whole square plus AC by AB. AC by AB, hypotenuse divided by base will be sec A. So write here sec A whole square. So we can write finally 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. This one is second. This is proved. For third, divide equation 1 by BC square. So divide each term by BC square. ठीक है? So AB square divided by BC square plus second term is BC square. So divide BC square by BC square. And RHS it is AC square. So AC square divided by BC square. So for this you can write AB by BC whole square and BC square divided by BC square will be 1. So write here 1. For this write AC by BC whole square. So what will be AB by BC? Look here, AB by BC is called cot A. Base by perpendicular distance is called cot A. So write here cot A whole square plus 1. Write 1 as it is. Then what will be AC by BC? AC by BC, hypotenuse by perpendicular distance, is called cosec A. So write here cosec A whole square. So square of cot will be cot square A. So write here cot square A plus 1 and square of cosec will be cosec square A. So write here cosec square A. This one is your third identity. Cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. So this one is proved. So let us start exercise 8.4. Our first question is express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Here we know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So first write that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. And we know that sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. So we can write sin A is equal to 1 by, you can write 1 by cosec square A. Here we have to write cosec square A because cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So in place of this cosec square A, you can write 1 plus cot square A. So write here 1 plus cot square A. So sin A is equal to this. Sin A is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 plus cot square A. This is the relation between sin A and cot A. Then you have to express this sec A in terms of cot A. You know that sec square A is equal to, you know that sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So we can write sec A is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square A. But we have to express this sec A in terms of cot A. So हम यहाँ tan A को चेंज करेंगे किस में, cot A में. What is the value of tan A in terms of cot A? Yes, you can write 1 plus 1 by cot square A, because tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So in place of tan square A, you can write 1 by cot square A. So from here you can write cot square A plus 1, which is divided by cot square A. This is under square root. So we can write finally cot square A plus 1 square root divided by, when square you take square root of cot square A, you will get only cot A. So this will be cot A. So sec A will be equal to this square root of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. This one is sec A in terms of cot A. Third one is express tan A in terms of cot A. It is very simple. Tan A is equal to, all of you know that tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So this one is your third part. So let us see our second question. Second one is write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. So here we have to write all other trigonometric ratio in terms of sec A. So first we know that cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. So first we can write cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. This is very simple. This one is your first. Then you know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So use that. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So in place of sin square A, you can write sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So we can write sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square A. And in place of cos A, we can write 1 by sec A. So write that. So this becomes 1 minus 1 by sec square A. So you can write this become sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. So finally you get sin A is equal to, we can write finally sin A is equal to sec square A minus 1. When you take square root of sec square A, you will get sec A. So write here sec A. This one is your second trigonometric ratio, sin A in terms of sec A. This one is first, cos A in terms of sec A. Then write third one. Third one is what? Tan A. So we have to express tan A in terms of sec A. So you know that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Sec square A. So we can write tan square A is equal to, tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. So what will be tan A? So tan A will be square root of sec square A minus 1. This one is tan A in terms of sec A. Then cot A. What is cot A? What is cot A? Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A. So put the value of tan A from here. You can write 1 divided by sec square A minus 1. This is relation between cot A and sec. First we have to express cosec A in terms of sec A. So we know that cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So first write 1 by sin A. Then from here write the value of sin A in terms of sec A. So you will get sec A divided by square root of sec square A minus 1. This one is cosec A in terms of sec A. So let us see our third question. It is evaluate first part is sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 73 degree. Here we don't know the value of 63 and 27. So we will try to make both the angles same. Either 63 or 27 or 27. So you can see that here 63 plus 27 is equal to 90 degree. So in place of this 63 we can write 90 minus 27. So write that. You can write this sin square 90 minus 27. In place of this 63, write 90 minus 27. 90 minus 27 is 63 plus sin square 27 degree, which is divided by, right, cos square. Here also 17 plus 73 is equal to also 90. So in place of this 17 we can write 90 minus 73 plus right here cos square 73 degree. Then sin 90 minus A is equal to, yes, sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. So right here we can write, here it is given square, so it comes cos square A. In place of A write 27. So this will be cos square 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree, which is divided by here cos 90 minus A. What is cos 90 minus A? Cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. So right here it becomes sin square A is here 73, so write 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. And you know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So here cos square 27 plus sin square 27 will be 1. So we can write 1 divided by here sin square 73 plus cos square 73. This will be also 1. So 1 divided by 1. So you will get answer 1. This one is your answer. In second part it is given sin 25 degree into cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sin 65 degree. Here we also don't know the value of sin 25, cos 65 or cos 25 and sin 65. So we will try to make these angles in same form. Here like that, here it is 25 degree. So we have to convert this 65 in form of 25, or you have to convert this 25 in form of 65. So suppose here you can see that 25 plus 65 is equal to 90 degree. So in place of this 25 we can write sin 90 minus 65. 90 minus 65 is equal to 25. So in place of 25 I have written here 90 minus 65 and write cos 65 as it is plus In place of here 25, we also write 90 minus 65. So write cos 90 minus 65 into sin 65 degree. Then what is value of sin 90 minus a? Yes, sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. So put here. So this become cos a. A is 65. So write cos 65 into cos 65. This one is in degree plus, right? Here it is cos 90 minus 65. What is value of cos 90 minus a? Yes, cos 90 minus a is equal to sin a. So write here sin a is 65, sin 65 into sin 65. So you can write cos square 65 degree plus sin square 65 degree. We know that cos square a plus sin square a is 1. So sin square 65 plus cos square 65 will be also 1. Here a is 65. So your answer is 1. So let us see question number 4. Question number 4 is choose the correct option. Justify your answer. First part is 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. So we have to find out which option is correct. Okay, so let us solve it. First write what is given. Given is 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. You know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. So in place of this sec square a, we can write 1 plus tan square a. So write that, take 9 outside, and in place of this sec square a, write 1 plus tan square a. Then write 9 tan square a as it is. So multiply 9 here. This come 9 1 ja 9 plus 9 tan square a minus 9 tan square a. Here 9 tan square a minus 9 tan square a will be 0. So it becomes 9. So your answer is 9. So option B is correct. Let us see second part. In second part, we have to find out 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to what? We have to find out the value of this. So first write what is given. It is given 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. Then write second one is 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. We have to find out the value of this. So first, in place of sin theta we can write tan theta, we can write sin theta by cos theta. So write here sin theta divided by cos theta, because tan theta is equal to sin by cos. So, and what is value of sec theta? Sec theta, in place of sec theta we can write 1 by cos theta. Plus write again. Here it is given cot theta. Cot theta, for cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta. So write cos theta divided by sin theta. In place of cosec theta you can write 1 by sin theta. Okay. Then take LCM. LCM will be cos theta. So we can write cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by, it will be cos theta divided by cos theta. This one. And here you can write, take LCM will be sin theta. So it comes sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, which is divided by sin theta. Here see that if we take, this one is term A, this one is A and this one is B. Here also if it is A and it is B, so A plus B and here it is a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So use that. So it will come cos theta plus sin theta square minus b square is 1 square. Square of 1 and divided by sin theta into cos theta. So we can write square of a plus b. Square of a plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. A into b minus square of 1 will be 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So in place of this you can write 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus, write this one as it is, divided by sin theta into cos theta. Look here, this one is 1 plus, here it is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. So it will come 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Right here 2 sin theta into cos theta, which is divided by sin theta into cos theta. Divide that. Here sin theta cos theta, here also given sin theta cos theta. So it comes 2. So your answer will be 2. So 2 is option number C. Option number C is right option. Third part is sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equal to, first option is given sec A, then sin A, then cosec A, then cos A. What is the value of this? So we have to find out value of this. So first we write what is given. First write what is given. It is given sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. We have to find out the value of this equation. So first क्या करेंगे हम, इसको साइन और कॉस में चेंज करेंगे. Here it is given sec A, यहाँ दिया हुआ है tan A. So tan A को भी साइन और कॉस में चेंज करेंगे, sec को भी हम कॉस में चेंज करेंगे. So in place of sec A we can write 1 by cos A. And in place of tan A we can write sin A by cos A. So write here sin A by cos A. And write this one is as it is 1 minus sin A. Here denominator are same, cos A, cos A. So this one is like fraction. So you can write 1 plus sin A, add numerators, divided by cos A, and write here 1 minus sin A. Here A plus B into A minus B. Again A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Use that formula. So you will get 1 square minus B square means sin square A divided by cos A. So 1 means square of 1 will be 1. So 1 minus sin square A is called cos square A, because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A will be cos square A. So it will be cos square A divided by cos A. When you divide cos square A by cos A, you will get cos A. So cos A is your answer. So option number D is right. So this one is right option. So fourth part is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot A square A is equal to what? Option is given. First one is sec square A, second one is minus B, then third one is cot square A, then tan square A. So let us see what is given first. Always write what is given. First is given 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So you can write sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. And sec square A will be 1 by cos square A. So in place of sec square A, you can write 1 divided by cos square A, and in place of cosec square A, you will write 1 divided by sin square A, because cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So write 1 divided by sin square A. So divide these two fractions. So we can write 1 divided by cos square A. So second one is multiplied. After doing reverse, so it will be sin square A divided by 1. So it will come sin square A divided by cos square A. So sin square divided by cos square A will be tan square A, because sin by cos is tan. So it comes tan square A. Tan square A. So your answer is tan square A. Option D is correct. You can solve this by another method. Let us see here. Second method. First, write what is given. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. This is second method. So write 1 plus tan square A as it is. 1 plus tan square A. And write here 1 plus, in place of cot, write tan. So it comes 1 by tan square A, because cot square A is equal to 1 by tan square A. So you will get 1 plus tan square A divided by, multiply here, it will come tan square A plus 1, which is divided by tan square A. So we can write 1 plus tan square A into, it will go here, so it will come tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So you can cut this and you will get answer tan square A. You can solve this equation by both method, like this or like this. So answer will come tan square A. So let us see question number 5. First part is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Here LHS is given in form of cosec and cot, and RHS is given cos form. So क्या करेंगे, हम सबसे पहले LHS लेंगे और LHS को साइन और कॉस में चेंज करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि RHS हमारा कॉस के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है और LHS हमारा कोसेक और कॉट के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है. तो कोसेक और कॉट को साइन और कॉस में चेंज करेंगे. सो लेट अस टेक LHS फर्स्ट. So write here LHS and write LHS. LHS is given cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. ये हमारा LHS दिया हुआ है. You know that cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So in place of cosec theta, write 1 by sin theta. So write here 1 by sin theta. And what is value of cos theta? Cos theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. So in place of cot theta, write cos theta divided by sin theta and square. Here denominator is same, sin theta. So we can write 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. RHS में हमें किस फॉर्म में लाना है? 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा के फॉर्म में प्रूव करना है. सो यहाँ हमारा क्या है 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा होल स्क्वायर. सो 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा को हम 2 टाइम्स लिखेंगे. 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. And write here sin square theta, because square of sin theta is equal to sin square theta. And you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So in place of sin square theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta. So write here, first write this one as it is, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And in place of sin square theta write 1 minus cos square theta. After that write here 1 minus cos theta, write same 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And look here, it is 1 minus cos square theta. It is same as a square minus b square. What is value of a square minus b square? Yes, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So use that. So you can write here 1 minus cos theta. This is a minus b. A is 1, b is cos theta. Then 1 plus b. B is here cos theta. So write 1 plus cos theta. Look here, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. तो ये 1 minus cos theta और ये 1 minus cos theta कट जाएगा. Then आएगा आपका 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So look, this one is RHS. This one is your RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. This is proved. So let us see second part of question number 5. It is given cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. So we have to prove that this is equal to 2 sec A. So first we take LHS. So write that this one is LHS. Write LHS first. LHS is cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. RHS हमें किस फॉर्म में लाना है? sec A के फॉर्म में लाना है. सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि हमें क्या दिया हुआ है और क्या लाना है. हमें LHS में जो cos A और sin A के फॉर्म में इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है और RHS में हमें किस फॉर्म में लाना है? sec A के फॉर्म में लाना है. So first we solve LHS and try to convert this in form of sec A. So take LCM. What will be LCM? It will be 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. Then divide this by 1 plus sin A. You will get cos A. Then multiply it here with cos A. It will come cos square A. Plus when you divide this by this cos A, you will get 1 plus sin A. So multiply it by 1 plus sin A, you will get 1 plus sin A whole square. So write here cos square A. अभी a plus b का whole square क्या होता है? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Because here it is given square, so square करेंगे इसका क्या आएगा? Square of 1 is 1 plus square of sin square A, so it will be sin square A plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 sin A. 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Here see that cos square A plus sin square A. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1 and 1 is already given. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can write 2 plus this 2 sin A. Then write 1 plus sin A denominator into cos A. Here we can take common 2. So take 2. It will come 1 plus sin A. Yes. And divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. यहाँ ऊपर भी 1 plus sin A, नीचे भी है 1 plus sin A. So cut this. So you will get here 2 by cos A. And 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. So we can write 2 sec A. This one is your RHS. So this one is right here RHS. It is proved. So question number 5, third part is tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. LHS हमारा tan और cot के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है, RHS sec और cosec के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है. तो हम LHS को sin और cos में ब्रेक करेंगे ताकि हमारा RHS sec और cosec के फॉर्म में आए. So first take LHS. Write here LHS. LHS is given that. So write first. It is tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So you know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So write here sin theta divided by cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. So write here 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Write here plus. Write here cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Then write 1 minus, in place of tan theta write sin theta by cos theta. So write here sin theta by cos theta. Then write, so write here you can write sin theta, ये cos theta नीचे आ जाएगा. So write here cos theta and multiply here. So it will come sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus here you can write cos theta same जैसे है, sin theta नीचे आएगा. So write here sin theta. Write here cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, which will be divided by cos theta. So ये sin theta ऊपर जाएगा. Yes. So it becomes sin square theta. So write here sin square theta and write here cos theta into write sin theta minus cos theta plus right here it will go here. So it becomes cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Here you can see that here it is given sin theta minus cos theta and here it is cos theta minus sin theta. So we will take common minus. Okay. So we can write sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Take common minus, so it becomes minus cos square theta divided by साइन थीटा एंड इट इज, अब ये हो जाएगा साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा, क्योंकि हमने माइनस कॉमन ले लिया है. Now take LCM. What will be LCM? LCM will be sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. And sin theta into cos theta is here same. So we can write sin theta minus cos theta. This will be LCM. So when you divide this, then you will get sin theta. So here sin theta is multiplied. So it becomes sin cube theta minus, यहाँ इस LCM को डिवाइड करेंगे किससे? sin थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा से. सो क्या आएगा? cos थीटा. cos थीटा को फिर cos स्क्वायर थीटा में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन इट बिकम्स cos क्यूब थीटा. So what is formula for AQ minus BQ? Yes, A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. So use that formula. Here it is given sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. So we can write sin theta minus cos theta in one bracket, and we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta. It is divided by sin theta into cos theta and write sin theta minus cos theta. यहाँ sin theta and cos theta है, यहाँ भी sin theta और cos theta है. So you can cut this. यहाँ देखो sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So write here 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Which is divided by sin theta into cos theta. ऊपर दो टर्म्स है, वन एंड सेकेंड टर्म इज sin theta into cos theta. So both terms will be divided by this denominator. So when one is divided by sin theta into cos theta and this sin theta and cos theta, this one is also divided by sin theta into cos theta. दोनों टर्म्स को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करेंगे. So sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta become 1. So this will, second terms will be 1, and here 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So write here cosec theta, and 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Yes, sec theta. So finally we can write this 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This one is our RHS. So this is RHS. This is proved. I hope you understand. So next one is fourth one. It is given 1 plus sec A divided by sec A is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Here LHS is given in form of sec and RHS is given in form of sin and cos. Okay, तो हम LHS को लेके चेंज करेंगे sin और cos के फॉर्म में. So first take LHS. Right here LHS. LHS is 1 plus sec A. It is divided by sec A. Okay. So we can write it 1 by sec A plus, write as sec A divided by sec A. Divide both terms 1 and sec A by this sec A. So it will come 1 by sec A plus sec A divided by sec A. So 1 by sec A is equal to cos A. So in place of this 1 by sec A we can write cos A. Here it will cut and you can write cos A plus 1. बट वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस साइन स्क्वायर ए डिवाइडेड बाई 1 माइनस कॉस ए हमें लाना है। देन क्या करेंगे, देन मल्टीप्लाई दिस cos a plus 1 by its conjugate 1 minus cos a. Okay, so multiply it by 1 minus cos a. So 1 minus cos a से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1 minus cos a से डिवाइड भी करेंगे, so divided by 1 minus cos a. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. इसका हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे because it is given 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a. So it becomes 1 minus cos square a divided by 1 minus cos a. And what is value of 1 minus cos square a? Yes, 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a. क्यों? क्योंकि sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 होता है. So 1 minus cos square a की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे sin square a. Okay, so sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. This one is your RHS. So write here RHS. So this is proof. Okay, so next is fifth part of question number 5. It is cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. Here LHS is given in form of cos and sin and RHS is given in form of cosec and cot. This is very important question. मैं आपको सिंपल तरीके से इसको सॉल्व करना बताऊंगी, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट वी टेक LHS. LHS में ऊपर के टर्म्स cos, sin और 1 है, नीचे के टर्म्स में क्या है cos, sin एंड 1 है, केवल sin का अंतर है. ओके, सो टेक कॉमन माइनस साइन फ्रॉम हियर, सो यू कैन राइट cos a, take common, then it becomes sin a minus 1 and denominator write cos a plus second term will be like sin a minus 1. This form. Suppose cos a is equal to a and sin a minus 1 is b, then this will be a minus b and this will be a plus b. जब भी इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर के कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं. सो यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर का कॉन्जुगेट क्या होगा cos a, हियर इट इज प्लस, तो कॉन्जुगेट में क्या हो जाएगा माइनस. सो मल्टीप्लाई करो, सो वी कैन राइट cos a माइनस sin a माइनस 1, डिवाइड भी करेंगे cos a माइनस sin a माइनस 1. यहाँ क्या होगा, दिस वन इज a माइनस b एंड हियर आल्सो a माइनस b, सो इट विल बी होल स्क्वायर ऑफ a माइनस b. a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर होगा. a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. So write that cos square a, okay, plus a square, b is here sin a minus 1. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2, write a is here cos a and b is here sin a minus 1. It is divided by here a plus b into a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. So we can write cos square a minus here b is equal to sin a minus 1, इसका whole square. Okay, so we can write here cos square a plus a minus b का whole square again So it will be sin square a square plus b square means 1 minus 2ab. So minus 2 sin a and b is 1 minus 2 cos a into sin a. cos a को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे sin a में भी और 1 के साथ भी. सो माइनस 2 cos a इंटू साइन ए, एंड जब ये 1 में मल्टीप्लाई होगा देन इट बिकम्स प्लस 2 cos a and it is divided by, here it is given cos square a, here it is given sin a minus 1 whole square. So cos square a को भी चेंज करेंगे sin के फॉर्म में. कैसे करेंगे? व्हाट इज फार्मूला फॉर दैट? cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. So cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So write here 1 minus sin square a minus again a minus b whole square. क्या होगा? It will be sin square a plus 1 minus 2 sin a. Here you can see that cos square a plus sin square a. Cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So write here 2 minus 2 sin a minus write 2 cos a into sin a. Then last term is plus 2 cos a. 2 cos a. It is divided by, right here 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. क्या होगा? minus 2 sin square a. minus 2 sin square a. Here it is minus is given. So when you multiply plus 1 by minus, then it becomes minus 1. So write here minus 1. Then minus and minus. Then it becomes plus 2 sin a. Now take common 2. So it comes here 1 plus cos a. 2 and 2 plus cos a से हमने 2 कॉमन लिया, क्या बनेगा? 1 plus cos a. सेकेंड वन इज minus 2 sin a minus 2 cos a into sin a. यहाँ से हम क्या कॉमन लेंगे? minus 2 sin a. So take common minus 2 sin a. So here it will be 1 plus cos a. Because minus I have taken common, so here it will be plus. It is divided by this. This one is plus 1, this one is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So take common from here 2 sin a. 2 sin a. Then if you take common 2 sin a, then here it will come, क्या आएगा? minus sin a plus 1. After that write here. Again you can take common 2 into 1 plus cos a. Take common 2 1 plus cos a. Then you can write 1 minus sin a, which is divided by 2 sin a into, it is minus sin a plus 1. So you can write 1 minus sin a right here. 1 minus sin a. यहाँ भी 1 minus sin a, यहाँ भी 1 minus sin a. So this will divide it. Cut this 2 also. So you will get 1 plus cos a divided by sin a. So divide both the terms by sin a. So when 1 is divided by sin a, you will get cosec a. First write 1 by sin A, then write here cos A divided by sin A. 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A, and cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. This one is your RHS. So write here RHS. So this one is proved. This is very important question. So to practice. So sixth part of question number 5 is square root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Here LHS is given in form of sine and RHS is given in form of sec and tan. First we take LHS, okay? So take LHS right here. LHS. So LHS is 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. Look here. Here it is 1 plus sin A and here it is 1 minus sin A. This means it is in form of A plus B and here it is A minus B. जब भी इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर के कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं. सो डिनोमिनेटर का कॉन्जुगेट क्या होगा, हियर इट इज 1 माइनस साइन ए, सो कॉन्जुगेट विल बी 1 प्लस साइन ए. सो लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. सो राइट स्क्वायर रूट, फर्स्ट वन इज 1 प्लस साइन ए, देन राइट हियर 1 माइनस sin A, then multiply here by conjugate of denominator, so it will be 1 plus sin A, and here also 1 plus sin A. Here 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A means 1 plus sin A का square. So right here square of 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A का square, and here it is 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. It is in form of A plus B into A minus B, that will be A square minus B square. So right here A square will be 1 minus B square will be square of sin, so it will be sin square A. So here it is given square and it is in square root, so you can write 1 plus sin A. स्क्वायर रूट हट जाएगा क्योंकि स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट है तो स्क्वायर हट जाएगा. So you can write 1 plus sin A, but here you can write in square root what, 1 minus sin A square is equal to cos square A, because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So in place of 1 minus sin square A, you can write here cos square A. So right here it is 1 plus sin A, and here cos square A का स्क्वायर रूट. जब स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा, सिंपल cos A, it becomes cos A. So it is 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. So 1 plus cos 1 divide 1 by cos A and divide sin A also by cos A. cos A को दोनों टर्म को cos A से डिवाइड करेंगे. यार 1 को भी cos A से डिवाइड करेंगे, सेकेंड वन इज sin A, sin A को भी cos A से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 1 by cos A प्लस sin A डिवाइड by cos A. सो 1 by cos A इज इक्वल टू sec A. सो राइट हियर sec A, and sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. So write here tan A. So it is sec A plus tan A, that is our RHS. So you can write here RHS. This one is hence proved. next question is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Here LHS is given in form of sin cos and RHS is given in form of tan. You know that sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So first we take LHS. Okay, so take LHS. Right here LHS. In LHS you can see that what is common. Here it is given sin theta, here it is given sin cube theta, and here it is given 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. मतलब ऊपर से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, sin थीटा कॉमन ले सकते हैं, यहाँ से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, cos थीटा कॉमन ले सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वी टेक कॉमन sin थीटा फ्रॉम हियर. सो टेक कॉमन. सो इट इज sin थीटा कॉमन ले लिया तो यहाँ आएगा 1 माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा. And here, from here we can take common what? Cos theta, yes. So take common here, cos theta. So this one is cos theta. So here it will be 2 cos square theta. Yes. यहाँ से cos theta common ले लिया तो क्या बचा है? 1. So you can write here 1. So this sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So write here tan theta first. Then in place of 1 we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So write here in place of 1 write sin square theta plus cos square theta. And then write this minus 2 sin square theta as it is. Then divide this. Here it is 2 cos square theta. So write is 2 cos square theta. Here it is minus 1. So in place of minus 1 we can write minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. So write here. So here you can write tan theta sin square theta, and here it is minus 2 sin square theta, then it's become minus sin square theta. Okay, so write here first we write this positive term is cos square theta. So write first cos square theta, then write sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is equal to minus sin square theta. So write here minus sin square theta. Here it is 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta. So it will be cos square theta. So write here cos square theta minus sin square theta. Write as it is. Look here, cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So it will be cut. So you will get here tan theta. This one is your RHS. So write here RHS, and it is proved. Here in her classes it is given 1 minus 2 sin square theta. It is given in class 11. 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta, and 2 cos square theta minus 1 is also cos 2 theta. So in that form you can write directly cos 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. So it will cut and you will get here tan theta. But in your class this formula is not given. So you will do like this, because in class 10th it is only given sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. It is not given 1 minus 2 sin square is equal to, this one is cos 2 theta. And 2 cos square theta minus 1 is also cos 2 theta. So this will cut and you will get sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. But you solve in your class, this method is given, so solve like that. So let us see 8th part of question number 5. This one is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So first we take LHS. So write here LHS. In LHS you can see that here it is A plus B whole square. Here it is also A plus B whole square. So what is formula for A plus B whole square? Yes, A square plus B square plus 2AB. So use that here. So it will be sin square A plus B square will be cosec square A plus 2AB. So write here 2, A is sin A and B is here cosec A. So write here cosec A. This one is first one plus second one is cos A plus sec A whole square. So you can write A square, that is cos square. A स्क्वायर की जगह cos स्क्वायर रखेंगे, B स्क्वायर की जगह क्या रखेंगे, sec स्क्वायर A. So cos स्क्वायर A plus sec स्क्वायर A plus 2AB. So write here 2, A is here cos A. So write 2 cos A and B is here sec A. You know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So we write this sin square A and this cos square A together. So write this first. Sin square A plus cos square A. Because here it is given addition, so you can write here. Second one is cosec square A. So write it is as it is given. So write cosec square A. Plus this one is 2 sin A into cosec A. You know that cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So in place of cosec A, if we write sin A, write here sin A 1 by sin A. So this sin A and this sin A will cut. This cos square A I have already written here, and after that it is sec square A. So write here sec square A as it is. Then here it is 2 cos A into sec A. You also know that sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So write here 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. So this cos A and this cos A will cut. Sin square A plus cos square A 1. So write here 1 plus write cosec square A. Cosec square A plus here sin कट हो गया है तो क्या बचा है 2. तो 2 लिखेंगे, लिखो 2 plus then write sec square A as it is. Sec square A को लिख दिया. After that it is 2 and cos A कट हो गया है तो क्या बच गया 2. So write 2 again. So write here plus 2. So here you can see that this 2 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So write here 5 first. सबसे पहले नंबर को ऐड करेंगे. नंबर दिया है 2, 2 and 1. So it will be 5. So in place of cosec square A, you know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. हमें RHS किस फॉर्म में लाना है, tan और cot के फॉर्म में लाना है, कोसेक और सेक के फॉर्म में नहीं लाना है. सो कोसेक और सेक को चेंज करेंगे tan और cot में. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ कोसेक स्क्वायर ए यू विल राइट 1 प्लस cot स्क्वायर ए. Okay, so write here 1 plus cot square A. This 2 I have already written, plus here it is sec square A. Okay, so sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So 1 plus tan square A के फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे RHS को लाने के लिए. So right here 1 plus tan square A. Now you can add numbers. Here it is 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So write first 7. Then here it is cot square A and here it is tan square A. So you can write first tan square A here, then write plus this cot square A. This one is your RHS. So it is proved. Okay, hence proved. Next question is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. LHS is given in form of cosec, sin, sec and cos, and RHS it is tan and cot. इस क्वेश्चन को हम दो मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट मेथड में हम LHS को सेपरेटली सॉल्व करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट RHS को भी सॉल्व करेंगे और दिखाएंगे कि LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS. सेकेंड मेथड में हम LHS लेंगे और RHS प्रूव करेंगे. सो पहले फर्स्ट मेथड लेते हैं. फर्स्ट टेक LHS. सो LHS इज हियर cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. You know that cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So in place of cosec A, I am going to write here 1 by sin A. And write here sin A. Here it is sec A. Sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So write here 1 by cos A minus cos A. So you can write by multiply here 1 minus sin square A divided by sin A. Here it is multiply, right here cos square 1 minus cos square A and it will be divided by cos A. You know that 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So write here cos square A. Cos square A divided by sin A. First term. Write here sign of multiplication. Here it is 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. So write here sin square A. So sin square A divided by cos A. Here it will be. This cos A will cut and this sin A will cut here. So you will get cos A into sin A. यहाँ cos स्क्वायर A था और यहाँ cos A था. जब cos स्क्वायर A को cos A से डिवाइड करेंगे then it become cos A. यहाँ क्या था sin स्क्वायर A था. sin स्क्वायर A को sin A से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा sin A. So it is cos A into sin A. This one is your LHS part. Then solve RHS part. So take RHS. What is RHS? In RHS it is given 1 by tan A plus cot A. You know that tan A is equal to sin by cos. So write here 1. In place of tan A write sin A by cos A. And in place of cot A you can write cos A by sin A. Okay, उल्टा लिखना है. So it is cos A plus sin A. So here you can write it is sin A by cos A plus cos a by sin a. So addition of two fraction. So क्या करेंगे, take LCM. LCM will be sin a into cos a. So it will be, first write here LCM. LCM is sin a into cos a. Then here it will come sin square a. Because sin a into cos a divided by cos a. Cos a से जब divide करेंगे it comes sin a. Then multiply here sin a into sin a, sin square a. यहाँ भी sin a cos a को sin a से divide करेंगे तो cos a आएगा, फिर cos a से multiply करेंगे तो cos square a. 1 divided by sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So 1 divided by, you can write 1 divided by, this one is sin a into cos a. So from here you can write, here it is 1 divided by 1 by sin a into cos a. So sin a cos a कहाँ जाएगा, ऊपर जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि होल नंबर 1 को डिवाइड करेंगे किसी फ्रैक्शन से तो क्या होता है, फ्रैक्शन को उल्टा करते हैं, मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो जाता है. सो 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई, यू कैन राइट sin a into cos a. So this will be sin a into cos a. So this one is your RHS part. So you can see that here LHS is also cos a into sin a. RHS is also sin a into cos a. So both are same. So you can write here, this one is your LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence this one is proved. Both are equal. So next let us see second method. So in second method, first we take LHS and then we prove RHS. So take LHS first. So write here LHS. LHS is cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. You know that cosec a is equal to 1 by sin a. So write here 1 by sin a minus sin a. अभी हमने इसको सॉल्व किया. sec a is equal to 1 by cos a minus cos a. Then 1 minus, it will be 1 minus sin a into sin a, sin square a divided by sin a. This one is first part. Here it is 1 minus cos a into cos a, cos square a, which is divided by cos a. 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. So write here cos square a. It is divided by sin a. First one. And write here sign of multiplication. Second one is 1 minus cos square a. It will be sin square a. Sin square a. Here it is cos a. Cos square means cos a into cos a. 2 times cos a. Here it is given cos a. So divide, when you divide cos square a by cos a, you will get cos a. And when you divide sin square a by sin a, you will get sin a. So right here it will be sin a into cos a. After that here it is sin a into cos a. यहाँ हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ नीचे हम 1 लिख देंगे. Okay, so in place of 1 we can write sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, so write here sin a into cos a, and in place of 1 write look here in RHS it is given here 1 दिया हुआ है, and here we have sin a into cos a. So अगर हम sin a into cos a को sin a into cos a से divide कर दे, then we will get 1. So divide this one by sin a into cos a. So divide here sin a into cos a. जब भी हम न्यूमरेटर को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हम डिनोमिनेटर को भी डिवाइड करते हैं. तो डिनोमिनेटर हमारा क्या है, साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए। इसको भी डिवाइड करेंगे सेम साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए से। सो राइट हियर साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए। So here sin a into cos a divided by sin a into cos a will be 1. So write 1. This one is 1. यहाँ पे कितने टर्म्स है, दो, साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए। दोनों टर्म्स को हम किससे डिवाइड करेंगे, साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए से। सो राइट दिस साइन स्क्वायर ए डिवाइडेड बाई sin a into cos a. Second term is cos square a. So write here cos square a, which is also divided by sin a into cos a. Then you can write 1 as it is. Divide here. Here it is sin square a. Sin square a is divided by sin a. You will get sin a. So you can write here sin a और cos a as it is, plus here it is cos square a, it is divided by cos a. When cos square a divided by cos a, you will get cos a. So you can write here cos a divided by sin a. So it is 1 by sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. So write here tan a. And cos a by sin a is equal to cot a. So this one is your RHS, 1 by tan a plus cot a. This one is RHS. So write here RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. So let us see next question. This one is 10th part of question number 5. It is 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to tan square a. So first we take LHS. So write here LHS. LHS is 1 plus tan square a which is divided by 1 plus कॉट स्क्वायर है। इसको हम दो तरह से tan स्क्वायर ला सकते हैं। पहले फर्स्ट मेथड से देखते हैं। फर्स्ट मेथड से करेंगे सो 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर है इज इक्वल टू सेक स्क्वायर है। सो यू कैन राइट हियर सेक स्क्वायर एंड 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर है इज इक्वल टू कोसेक स्क्वायर है। सो राइट हियर कोसेक स्क्वायर and you know that sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. So in place of sec square a you can write 1 by cos square a. So write here 1 by cos square a and here it is cosec a square a. So in place of cosec square a we can write 1 by sin square a. So write here 1 by sin square a. So we can write 1 by cos square a into sin square a divided by 1. So this will be sin square a divided by cos square a is equal to tan square a. If you want you can write like that sin a divided by cos a whole square. So it will be tan square a. This one is RHS. सेकेंड मेथड से कैसे tan स्क्वायर आएगा वो भी देख लेते हैं। सो दिस वाज योर फर्स्ट मेथड। सेकेंड वन इज हियर LHS इज 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर ए डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस cot स्क्वायर ए। सो फर्स्ट वी राइट 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर ए एज इट इज, देन राइट 1 प्लस इन प्लेस ऑफ cot स्क्वायर ए वी कैन राइट 1 बाय tan स्क्वायर ए। सो राइट हियर 1 बाय tan square. So right here 1 plus tan square a as it is, multiply here tan square a plus 1 which is divided by tan square A. So we can write 1 plus tan square A into tan square A. ये tan square A ऊपर जाएगा, so यहाँ बचेगा 1 plus tan square A. Here it is 1 plus tan square A, here it is also 1 plus tan square A, so you can cut. So you will get tan square A. Okay, so you can choose both the method, whatever easy for you. Okay, so here we have also proved that 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. So first let us, this one is LHS and this one is your RHS. So take this LHS. So write here LHS. Now LHS is 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. So first we write 1 minus tan A as it is, and here it is 1 minus, in place of cot A write 1 by tan A. So write here 1 by tan A, square it. Then write 1 minus tan A divided by, multiply here, it will be tan A minus 1 divided by tan A and whole square. Now write 1 minus tan A as it is, and here you can take common minus, so take common minus, so it will be 1 minus tan A, which is divided by tan A, and then write here whole square. Okay, so here it is 1 minus tan A, here it is also 1 minus tan A, so it will cut. So you will get here 1 by minus 1 by tan A whole square. This means you will get here minus tan A whole square. जब माइनस tan A का होल स्क्वायर करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, tan square A. This one is your RHS. So this is proved. Now exercise 8.4 has been completed. I hope you understand, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. फिर मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में एक नए एक्सरसाइज के साथ. टिल देन बाय बाय.